नमस्ते, अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड अ बिग हेलो। वेलकम टू माइंडफुल मंडेज। आज हम बात कर रहे हैं पावर ऑफ पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग, हाउ टू चेंज आवर थॉट्स फ्रॉम नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव। अब पॉजिटिव थॉट्स तो पावरफुल हैं ही, बट नेगेटिव थॉट्स आर इवन मोर पावरफुल। दे कैन एक्चुअली डिस्ट्रॉय योर लाइफ, दे कैन डिस्ट्रॉय फैमिलीज। छोटी सी बात आप सोचते हैं और आप नेगेटिव बात बोल देते हैं एंड द फैमिलीज एक्चुअली सेपरेट। फैमिलीज ही क्या, countries separate, countries have wars just because of someone who thought something negative and then said something negative and then ended up doing it. So now let's talk about the power of negative thoughts and how did I realize it. तो 20 साल पहले जब मैं अपने गुरु से मिली, जैक कैनफील्ड, जिन्होंने चिकन सूप फॉर द सोल लिखी है, जिन्होंने द सीक्रेट में कंट्रीब्यूट किया है, उन्होंने मुझे कहा एनी एक्सपीरियंस इन योर लाइफ, गुड और बैड, you have attracted it with your thinking. I could not understand that. Then he said, yes, like your house gets burgled, your car gets stolen, you have a terrible fight with your friend, a heartbreak, and even you losing a job. It's all because of your thinking. Then he shocked me even more. He said, your facial paralysis, Rageshri, you attracted it with your thinking. That really shocked me. क्योंकि मेरा ego came to the forefront and said this cannot be true. तो 3 दिन मैं बस यही सोचती रही, how can this be true? उन्होंने मुझे बहुत प्यार से समझाया that our thoughts are like frequencies, vibrational energies. Every time we think a thought, we are creating an energy. And every experience that matches that energy will come into your life. For example, अगर आपको romantic music सुनना हो, आप 101.fm पर जाएंगे। अगर आप 105 पर चले जाएं, तो वही स्टेशन नहीं रहेगा. It'll be a different station with different music. That's how our thoughts are. They all are in a paradigm, in a vortex. So for example, negative thoughts could be guilt, shame, anger, unhappiness, blame, sorrow, feeling alone, feeling lonely, feeling like a failure, and complete resistance to the world. तो ये सब negative thoughts के दायरे में आते हैं. And every negative experience that matches that frequency will come into your life. तो जैक ने मुझे कहा, अपने facial paralysis से 1 साल पहले आपकी ज़िंदगी में क्या हुआ? चलिए बात करते हैं. And I was very embarrassed. Because I'd had my first heartbreak. Absolutely true. अब जिस तरह हम प्रोफेशनल सक्सेस को अच्छी जॉब्स और प्रमोशन से लिंक करते हैं, उसी तरह अपने पर्सनल सक्सेस को हम मैरिज और रिलेशनशिप से लिंक करते हैं, which itself is wrong. Because relationships help us grow, failures help us grow, breakups help us grow. लेकिन at the age of 23, of course I had no idea about this. Relationships जैसे ही breakup होते हैं, we take it very personally. And we want to validate ourselves. We want to prove to the world that I am right and he is wrong. I am right, she is wrong. अब ex partner को जो बोलना है वो तो हम नहीं बोलते, लेकिन पूरी दुनिया को बोलते हैं. That's exactly what I was doing. Gathering my friends, family, cousins and consistently saying, you see, I was right and he was so wrong. This is what I did, but look at what he did. And this is what's caused me pain, and this is what's caused me unhappiness. He is to blame. You see, I'm actually perfect. I'm absolutely right. And there was so much pain and sorrow and guilt and shame in my inner world. And that's what I was consistently projecting. Like the radioactive energies, like the vibrations, like the frequencies जिसके बारे में मैंने आपसे पहले कहा. And that was my life. Day in, day out, consistently thinking negative thoughts. तो फिर क्या हुआ? My inner world created my external world. And that's exactly how I attracted my facial paralysis. That matched the frequency of guilt, shame, anger, humiliation, wanting to hide. Powerful, isn't it? Well, that's why personal stories always create a difference. Now let's talk about the science behind positive thoughts. Now the brain basically is designed to protect you. Whenever we have negative thoughts like guilt, shame, anger, the foundation is always fear. For example, we lose a job, we have fear, oh my goodness, will I get money? When we have a breakup, the fear is, oh my goodness, will I be judged? When there's a burglary in the house, the fear is, oh my goodness, are there thieves all around? Now, whenever the brain processes any thought of fear, it basically translates it as danger. And the brain is trained to protect you in times of danger by shutting down motivation centers. Now, when you look at a horror film, don't you get scared? Why do you get scared? It's not your reality, you're just watching a movie. In the same way, you feel really exhilarated and happy when you watch a romantic film. How come? That's just a movie, it's not your reality. Why do you get those emotions? Because the brain cannot understand the difference between what you're thinking and what is actually a reality. The moment there's a thought, the brain produces corresponding chemicals that get released into your body and you feel those emotions. So every time when you think a negative thought, guilt, shame, anger, blame, the foundation is fear. So the brain immediately translates it as danger. False evidence appearing real. And it shuts down all motivation centers. And most of us have actually destroyed our brain by consistently thinking negative thoughts, and that's what brain researchers have proved. इसीलिए ये बात हमें बच्चों को हमेशा समझानी होगी, the power of positive thoughts. हमेशा उनसे positively, प्यार से बात करें. And ditto to ourselves. Always talk positively and lovingly to your own self as well. Alright now, top tips. नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव कैसे कन्वर्ट करें? फर्स्ट, मेडिटेशन, ध्यान, माइंडफुलनेस. अब जैसे मैं मेडिटेशन के बारे में बात करती हूँ, आधे लोग भाग जाते हैं लेकिन हिज होलीनेस दलाई लामा ने बहुत प्यार से कहा, इट्स नॉट रॉकेट साइंस, इट इज़ द शॉर्टकट टू मास्टरिंग योर थॉट्स. जब आप ध्यान करेंगे, बैठेंगे, अपने थॉट्स को ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, तभी तो अपने नेगेटिव थॉट्स को पकड़ पाएंगे. So just 5 minutes every day, just sit with your eyes closed and observe your thinking. Second, the moment you observe a negative thought, gently tell yourself, delete, 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 cancel, 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 this is not my reality. And immediately think of 3 positive thoughts. So you tip the balance. So for example, you have a negative thought, oh my goodness, मेरी job चली जाएगी. Immediately think of a positive thought. No, my boss actually encourages me. My colleagues love me. I see a promotion on the horizon. So you tip the balance and actually fuel your energy towards positive thoughts. Third, positive influences. Observe आपके कौन से दोस्त positive हैं. देखिए, जब you are building your own emotional muscles, you don't want friends to pull you down. Especially because we have the choice where our friends are concerned. I'm not saying कि आप अपने negative friends से मिलें ही ना, लेकिन कम मिलना शुरू करें. And ditto for your Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. सबसे powerful चीज़ जो आप किसी को दे सकते हैं is your attention. तो observe करिए, आप किसे अपनी attention दे रहे हैं? What are the lifestyles and the life lessons you're learning from these different platforms? इसीलिए FitTak is one of my most loved platforms. How positive. So thank you so much for watching Mindful Mondays. And next week, I will again talk about how to change your negative thoughts into positive thoughts. And I'm tapping into the emotions of guilt and shame. So for now, wishing you an empowered and a wonderful, spectacular, mindful week.